Okay, I don't know when the camera cut off again, YouTube. I'm sorry, but obviously this is a new phone. I've obviously got to mess with the settings on it. Apparently this thing has a video limit that I was not aware of. But okay, it's all back together. I don't know where the camera cut off at last time, but we're gonna now I gotta go hunt down a piece of fuel hose to replace that piece of junk that's on there now. I'm not gonna drag y'all in the barn because it's dark in there and I don't remember exactly where I put it. Hold on, YouTube. Okay, YouTube, let's get this old dried up hose off of here. It's too short anyway. I found this piece in the barn that's actually good. Yeah, I don't know what that is, but that is stiff. It goes right there on that. Okay. I'll shorten that up a little bit later, but right now we're gonna move down to where I got my 55-gallon drum at, and we're gonna attempt to fire this puppy up. So hold on, YouTube. Okay, YouTube, we've got our barrel set up. We've got water in it. This thing's got gas in it. Let's see what it'll do. And open the valve. Open this valve. Getting gas. It's getting gas. I don't see anything leaking, so pull the choke out. Okay. Well, it ran. I do know this thing doesn't have enough gas in it, so I only had like maybe a couple cups to put in it, so it may not have enough gas in it. Okay, YouTube, I can see that it runs, but it's gonna need some adjusting and such on it. So I'll do that off camera, and hopefully the next time you see this thing, it'll actually be me using it on the water. All right, YouTube, I thank y'all for watching. I would appreciate it if y'all would like, comment, and subscribe. Thank y'all, YouTube. Good night.